fits any summit climbing stand. Also compatible with most other commercially available tree stands. Eliminates the need for toe straps. Adjustable to fit any boot and extremely secure and easy to use. A great upgrade or replacement part. Comfort engineered and ergonomically adjustable to fit any boot, Summit RapidClimb stirrups can be added to virtually any tree stand and are designed to keep your boot securely attached to the platform. Quickly and safely climb to reach your desired height with ease. Simply put your heel on the bungee, pull it back and insert your foot into the stirrup. No more bending over to tighten your toe straps. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing upgrade. One of my stands is an ameristep grizzly that came with the strap-style stirrups. They sucked. Replaced with the Summit stirrups and made a world of difference. Turned a pain in the neck, cheap stand into one of my favorite stands. Just bought a Treewalker Promag XL climber and thinking of getting another set. Haven't received Treewalker yet and people swear I won't need the stirrups, but from my experience with the Grizzly, I can't imagine anything being easier to climb without these stirrups. I freakin' love them.